Today I'm going to share with you 5 small business ideas that you can start with under $100. Yes, you heard me right. You don't need a lot of money to start your own business and become your own boss. All you need is some creativity, passion, and hard work. So let's get started. The first business idea is to become a senior home companion. This is a great way to make money while helping others. As the population ages, there is a growing demand for people who can provide companionship and assistance to seniors who live alone or need some extra care. You can offer services such as running errands, doing chores, playing games, reading books, or just having a friendly conversation. To start this business, you will need a background check, a reliable vehicle, and some basic supplies such as snacks, games, and books. You can advertise your services online, through word of mouth, or by contacting local senior centers or agencies. The second business idea is to start a menu planning service. If you love cooking and planning meals, this is the perfect business for you. You can help busy people or families save time and money by creating customized meal plans and grocery lists for them. You can also provide recipes, tips, and nutritional information. To start this business, you will need a computer, a printer, and some cooking knowledge. You can use online tools such as mind maps to create and organize your menus easily and clearly. You can market your services through social media, flyers, or referrals. The third business idea is to start a green cleaning service. If you care about the environment and want to make a difference, this is the business for you. You can offer to clean people's homes or offices using eco-friendly products and methods. You can make your own cleaning solutions using natural ingredients such as vinegar, baking soda, lemon, and essential oils. You can also sell your products online or at local markets. To start this business, you will need some cleaning equipment, such as a vacuum, a mop, a bucket, and some spray bottles. You can promote your business through online platforms, such as websites, blogs, or social media. The fourth business idea is to become a social media consultant. If you are savvy with social media and know how to create engaging content, this is the business for you. You can help individuals or businesses grow their online presence and reach their target audience. You can offer services such as creating and managing social media accounts, designing and posting graphics, writing and editing captions, and analyzing and optimizing performance. To start this business, you will need a laptop, an internet connection, and some social media skills. You can find clients through online platforms, such as freelance websites, or by networking with your contacts. The fifth and final business idea is to start an auto repair or detailing service. If you have a passion for cars and know how to fix or beautify them, this is the business for you. You can offer to repair or maintain people's vehicles, such as changing oil, replacing tires, or fixing brakes. You can also offer to detail or wash people's vehicles, such as polishing, waxing, or vacuuming. To start this business, you will need a garage, some tools, and some car knowledge. You can advertise your business through flyers, signs, or online platforms. So there you have it, 5 small business ideas that you can start with under $100. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know which business idea you liked the most or if you have any other ideas to share. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.